Wow, Coil's here. So I wanted to show you guys how I made my first flaxseed gel. I am super excited, and here we go. As you can see, I'm super excited. So you want to make sure you have all your items. First, you want to start off with about 2 cups of water. And then you want to have about 1/4 of a cup of flax seeds. So here they are, and they look so beautiful. Next, you want to make sure you have like a stocking or something to strain it in. I use a stocking because it's easier to squeeze. And then you want to use a pot, obviously. And lastly, something to put your product in, which I use mason jars because that's the easiest thing I have to get a hold of. So you want to start off with pouring the water in the pot. Go ahead now. And then the flax seeds. One important thing that I missed that I would like to point out is make sure you mix the flax seeds in when you first put them in, just to make sure they're all getting coated with the water and they're not stuck together. That's something that I forgot to do. So now you want to let it sit, and then you're going to let it boil for, I guess, about 10 minutes is what I did. Whoopsie, it's overflowing. So you'll know it's ready when you start to get like a snotty trail, or like you can see that it's thickening. It's almost ready. I think here I let it sit for about 2 more minutes, and then I let it cool. So here, as you can see, it is cool. Check the consistency. I'm about to show you. Okay, so there it is. That looks wonderful. I can't wait to put this in my hair. So let's see what all the hype is about. You feel me? You feel me? Look at that jelly. So yours should look like this. Depending on how long it sits, how long you boil it, the consistency will change. So you want to make sure your stocking is inside of your cup so that you can pour it right on in. It's easier to use the pot, but I want you guys to be able to see what's happening here. What's happening. Make sure you get it all. Get it all. Get it all. We're millennials. We need every little piece we can get. Okay, baby. Okay, baby. You don't got it. So now this is what it looks like inside the stocking, and then you're just gonna start to squeeze it out. See all that gel falling in there? It's kind of gross, but I love it. So squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Continue squeezing. Hand is all in the way. Come on now. Look at that. You can just see it flowing out of there. So you want to just squeeze until you basically dehydrated the stocking, like till there's nothing left. Just squeeze it all. There should only be seeds left in there by the time you're done with it. Okay, sis, I think it's squoze. Wiping my hands off and the counter. And now you just need to pour it into your container. Like I said, get it all, sis. This is your hard work. So I put this in the refrigerator for an hour or two, and this is the consistency it is after that. It's supposed to be stored in the refrigerator, so I would recommend doing so. But this is it, and I'm so glad that you guys watched the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like. And thanks for watching.